Are you looking for the best room divider screens? Check out our top 5 picks. These screens are sure to add a touch of style and elegance to any room, and they're all available at great prices. So let's get started.
Product number 1. Room Divider 6-foot Portable. Experience Room Divider 6-foot Portable Room Dividers. Stable structure. Our room partitions and dividers is made of strong steel frame with powder coating, which is not easy to scratch and rust, extending the service life. Extra longer and wider feet pads fits more easily to the ground and improve the stability of the room divider and not easy to shake and fall. Non-see-through privacy screen. To improve the privacy of the room dividers, we have upgraded the fabric of the room divider screen to 240 grams polyester with PA coating, which maximizes the secrecy, wrinkle resistance, wear resistance, and water resistance of the screen. It's also easy to clean and just wipe with water.
Product number 2. Mayolea 6-panel folding privacy. Experience Mayolea 6-panel folding privacy screen 9 feet wide. 6-panel room divider. The max expanded size for this extra-wide partition wall is 120 inches wide by 17.7 inches deep by 71 inches tall, and it's advised to use it with angles. The max width with angle is 100 to 110 inches, depending on the angles displayed. Large enough to form a small, separate, temporary room. Easy to set up, move, and store. Come with all hardware and detailed instruction. Easy to assemble. Flexible and folding design make it easy to move anywhere you need. When not in use, just fold it into a single panel size, store it behind the door or under the bed. Product number 3. Room Divider Experience. Room Divider. Provide space for privacy. Our room divider screens will provide you with strong privacy to avoid embarrassment in your life. Let you enjoy your leisure time or work and study more. The privacy screen is composed of 4 panels can meet your different needs, suitable for dorm room, studio, garage, hospital, restaurant, classroom, etc. Upgrades of materials. The panel of the wall divider are made of watertight, non-see-through, and tear-resistant high-density 240-gram polyethylene fabric. The metal frame of the room divider wall is made of strong iron and powder coating, which increases its rust and wear resistance and also extends its service life. At the same time, widened support bead also increase its stability.
Product number 4. 4-panel room divider 6 feet. Experience 4-panel room divider 6 feet steel frame screen folding privacy divider freestanding partition for home office, bedroom. Privacy and space division. This 4-panel room divider serves as an excellent privacy solution, allowing you to create separate areas within a room, whether it's for work, relaxation, or sleep. It's perfect for home offices, bedrooms, or any space where you need privacy and division. Freestanding and portable. With its freestanding design, this room divider doesn't require any installation or mounting, making it incredibly easy to use. You can move it around as needed, adapting your space to changing requirements.
Product number 5. Room Divider 4-panel. Experience Room Divider 4-panel partition room dividers. Privacy screen. Room divider consists of 4 polyester fiber panels with high confidentiality, anti-wrinkle, wear-resistant, waterproof. Daily maintenance of the room screen divider only need to be wiped with a damp cloth to create a private corner in the open space to avoid embarrassment. Freedom of movement and combination. The connectors of the 4-panel room dividers can be flexibly changed in direction, so you can arrange the room divider screen into different shapes according to your needs, such as a bedroom, meditation room, bathroom, or living room.